apparently Jake, he's 8 years old, doesn't know how to fish, never been fishing, doesn't know how to hold a fishing pole, nothing. Fishing here, we're gonna fish the Skyway Pier today. That's gorgeous. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a great day. Alright guys, so the first step of fishing Skyway Pier, ready for this? You gotta have a Sabiki rig. I personally don't like to throw cast nets. I had a bad experience with Nelson once upon a time and I got caught and no bueno. So I have a Sabiki rig here. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but it's there. Sabiki rig down, deployed.